Alright you guys, we're back with the 5.3. We're back with Frostbite. And she's got long tube headers now. Our new tripod, it was $10. So we can now record things half-assed professionally. But we'll go with the windows down for the first little bit. But if you guys want a reference to how much different it sounds, there's another video on my channel of this truck back when it had the factory manifolds on it and the factory Y pipe. It's now got full 3-inch with long tube headers, which I'll show you guys here in a second. Sounds a lot better. It's not quite so clappy, I guess you'd say, as it was before. It's very mellow and deep. And the nice part about the magnapack, so if everybody wondering, this is full 3-inch with long tube headers going out the back into a 3-inch magnaflow magnapack into the 4-inch angle cut tip back there. Other than that, it's that's about it. But we'll get out on an open road here and we'll let her eat. Damn, it's cold today. It's a chilly day here in Idaho. We'll do one more pull and then I gotta put the windows up. I'm freezing my ass off in here. But the nice part about the magnapack is if you're cruising and you got your girl with you, you know, you can throttle back and cruise. You know, we're sitting about 50 miles an hour and it's pretty quiet. Very, very nice sound. I'm really happy with it. The headers I paid $252 for. Here, we'll pull over here and show you guys the headers and stuff real quick. Oh man, it's cold. Those heated seats are earning their keep today. So we'll show you guys the headers. I bought these. These are eBay headers. They came with the Y pipe and the whole bit. They were $252 shipped to my house. I had to bash the tubes, but there it is, old 5.3. And then there's the headers down there. I got them off of a website called ECCCP. Came with the gaskets, the bolts, the Y pipe, the whole bit. Had my local shop up for me. So you can see the headers. Back here we got the angle cut tip, and then under here you guys can see that there's the magnapack, and then the pipe coming all the way down from the Y pipe. So like I said, it's full 3-inch, which is what these trucks need to sound good. 2.5 is just too clappy, or so I found. Now we'll go do a pull on a wide open road and see what happens. Bikers, gotta slow down. But yeah, it sounds pretty good. I'm happy with it. The only reason it's popping and crackling like that is the tune I got in it. It's got that flamethrower tune in it. I'll attach a video in here of this truck shooting flames at night. That's what these 5.3s sound like with a good pair of headers on them. Probably we might put a Carbon R on it in the future. I haven't quite decided yet. Or we may put a straight pipe in it. I like the way that the magnapack sounds because like right now we're cruising it. Well, let's get up to highway speed. But in the cab, you know, I can have a normal conversation with somebody that's right next to me. I don't have to raise my voice or anything. So, y'all stay tuned and like, comment, subscribe, and again, stay tuned for more. Later.